Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this juicing squeezer I got here. I'll show you guys it, and we'll unbox it and see how this functions. It looks like here's some instructions right there for it. Just leave that right here so I can try to figure it out as we go. It comes with a couple of wrenches if we need those. And I'm gonna guess this is gonna be the handle to squeeze it down. Styrofoam. And, oh, this is heavy. Okay, that's everything out of the box. This is like a commercial type squeezer because this is heavy. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. Oh, I'm aiming you guys down a little bit. You can't see it all. There. So the base is like that, and then it will squeeze like this onto stuff. And this is the handle. Didn't come with the handle on, probably because it wouldn't fit in the box. Let's see. But yeah, this is going to have some hefty leverage. Holy moly. So yeah, so you'll be able to squeeze it, and then you've got this is going to be, I guess, is this going to be where juice comes out? I think juice comes out in the middle and the bottom. So if I put a bowl under it, I think that's where the juice will come out. And then it's going to squeeze the orange on top of this. Let's see, how do I get this off? Flickering plate, tray, body. Yeah, so this is that's where the juice comes out. I guess this nub is just a holding thing, so I probably need to leave that on. And then this can come out, and then so you'll put the orange on there, squeeze it, and it'll come through there. So we're going to try it here with a rotten little mini tangerine. I guess that'll fit in there. And let me see if I just try it with the whole skin on it and not even doing anything with it. I'm not going to drink this because it's an old orange. But let's just go ahead and squeeze it and see what happens. If it's even going to do anything with an old dried up one, I might have to cut it in half for it to work. But let's see if we squeeze. Oh, no, it's working. Let's see. So I squeeze. Wow, it really gets a good squeeze. Oh, that's what the little rubber's for. It's the stopper for this. Okay, so I squeeze it, and it's getting out all the juice out of this little mini tangerine thing. Let's just see what it looks like here. Wow, that really squoze it good. There's not much left. A little bit here. Let's just see if I can try to just get another squeeze on it. Just maybe move it over a little bit and see if it makes a difference. Probably not. I think I got all the juice out. A little bit more. But that's a pretty flat orange here. Let's try another one here and see what happens. I got one more, another old one here. Pretty cool. I'm just sticking it in there whole. You will probably, if you have a big orange, you want to cut it in half, I guess. But this here, I can feel it when it pops. It just popped. And there, now I'm squeezing it. This one here is a little juicier than the last. But that was really cool. Oh, I don't want it to spill. So let's push it all the way down. And it's quick and easy and good. And that's probably going to get as much juice or more. So some of those other like macerating-ish ones that are kind of the screw ones, probably is good or better than those. This thing's just sweet. And that is one flat-looking orange there. Yeah, it just totally flattens it up against that little tray. That little plate on it. Boy, that's just a flat, empty orange. You can see. Did a great job. Sweet. And then, I guess so now that it's all done, I can rotate this to get it out. I guess there's little nubs. And then I can take this and rotate this, take it off as well, and clean it all up. Very cool. Nice little device. And pretty heavy duty, man. That took almost no work to squeeze it down. It was super strong. So much leverage going on here. That's great. So this is an awesome juicer. I'm going to say double thumbs up on this one here. This was going to be fun. I'm going to make some juice this weekend. So super cool. Thumbs up.